Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to sign out or log out of Olymp Trade. Are you on Olymp Trade and want to sign out of your account? Logging out is useful when switching accounts or securing your device. So here is how you can easily sign out of your Olymp Trade application on your smartphone. First things first, launch open Olymp Trade on your device, and from the main home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon or the human icon at the top left corner. Now this will open up this expanded menu on the screen where you need to click settings at the bottom. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, scroll all the way down and click on Logout. Confirm that you want to sign out by clicking the Logout button once again, and you'll then be able to log out of your Olymp Trade application right away. That's how you successfully signed out of Olymp Trade. Your account remains safe and you can log back in anytime using your email or social logins. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.